let's talk about leads, because what some ISVs can get confused about is they expect a lot of functionality to just happen. They expect that leads from the AppExchange are set up, that they will get sent to their partner business org, their own instance of Salesforce. We worked with a client, and this was like a funny example of an ROI, but it gives a good lesson of audit your lead flow from the AppExchange. They lost out on over 2,000 leads from the AppExchange that just, they hadn't made the connection. They hadn't tested the connection from their AppExchange listing to their Salesforce instance. And so when you're auditing it, your numbers are going to be small to start. Expect 1 or 2 or 5 leads for the first couple months as you refine your SEO on the AppExchange. But those leads are everything at the start. And so we recommend an automated email. You have to build this in your Salesforce instance to automatically send. We recommend building an alert to your sales team as well, either via Slack or email, to let them know that a new lead has come in. And then your sales process comes in. This is just an example of the sales process, but our goal across the board should be to get customer conversations from those initial leads. And when you're thinking about your lead status, you want to start to build for success. So from the early days, start to put in measures and metrics, including things like lead status and first call conversion rates. So you know what's working when it's working, and you can lean into it. And so things like open and converted are out of the box lead statuses in your PBO. But consider putting in unqualified, consider putting in nurture, consider putting in reopen, so that you can plan for lead scoring in your future. Because when you get to a Ridge partner level, which is one of the ISV partner tiers, you can actually use Pardot for free. So plan for that from the start with that reopen status, because we know that we want an inbound lead to come through and we want them to follow a linear sales process. We qualify them, we do our discovery, we do a demo, they do a trial, we send them a proposal, we close one, they're a happy customer. But we know that that process is non-linear, and you have to come back to a lead. You have to touch multiple people at a lead before you actually close the business. And so that's just a little bit big takeaway there. Test your lead flow process. Go there to the AppExchange, not right now, but in 20 minutes after this webinar, test it, make sure that leads are flowing into your PBO.